Alright, Guru Nation, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Look, I got to be as real as I can with you guys, be as blunt and as straightforward as I can with you guys. This industry is amazing. This industry is incredible. The upward mobility, how far you can climb, especially if you follow some of my strategies, go small as the new big. There's so much you can do, and it's welcoming of all backgrounds, all degrees, international medical graduates, non-science majors, non-college graduates. It's open to so many, and the upward mobility is amazing. With that being said, and I've done these kind of videos in the past, if you want to start brand new in clinical research, there's the possibility you're going to have to take a pay cut. Not always the case. Apparently, I'm seeing project managers cross over from other industries picking right up the same salary and everything. It's not the norm, okay? Now, is it possible that you don't have to take a pay cut? Yes, it is. Is it going to be easier than being willing to take a pay cut? No. And that's where the ROI really comes in later for you. So, yes, there are transferable skills. Those do exist. Yes, you should do whatever you can to educate yourself about this industry and figure out where your transferable skills may be valuable for an employer. But it does not guarantee that it's going to be easy. So I see posts on LinkedIn all the time, can I enter this industry with no experience and not necessarily take a pay cut? The answer is yes, of course. With the right networking, the right transferable skills, the right way to demonstrate it on your resume, knowing the right people, positioning yourself in the right opportunity to take advantage of the right opportunity, absolutely. But is it common and is it likely to happen? It's a lot simpler if you could afford to take a pay cut. And now the question you got to ask yourself is, how much of a pay cut am I willing to take? Or am I not allowed to take any pay cut? And then you have to be realistic with yourself and say, okay, well, I may not be able to get a job in a month or 2 months. It might take me 3 months. It might take me 6 months. It might take me 9 months. It might take me a year. But I respect anybody who says, no, I can't take less than this salary, and I'm going to wait until I can. This is one of the reasons why we started the CRA Academy, why we started the CRC Academy, because it's built for people who work. So while you continue your career and earn your income, we're going to give you, after our program, real industry experience so that now the clock starts ticking on your experience. We actually give real industry experience in our programs to where it can shorten the runway a bit. And let's say you try to do it without one of my academies. That's fine. You just have to compensate by networking with the right people, putting the right transferable skills on your resume for the appropriate job, demonstrating that you are capable of taking on whatever role the new employer gives you. And that really boils down to networking, transferable skills, education, and demonstrating all of this to the potential employer. And then it's just a numbers game. And the numbers game is 100% variable on you, dependent on you. That is the variable at the end of the day, because I know people who have zero experience in this industry, did not lie on their resumes, and were able to get the salary they wanted. And I know people who do have experience in this industry and still are not able to get the salary that they want. So at the end of the day, you got to improve your own networking and negotiation skills, and you got to put yourself in the right situation to where you have an opportunity to capitalize on. So that's my thoughts on this. RNs come to mind first. Like, yes, your pathway, your career pathway as an RN is much easier to become a CRA, but it's not guaranteed. And RNs do get paid pretty good money when they work at hospitals, when they work bedsides. It's going to be tough to compete with that salary when you're starting out in clinical research. It is possible, but again, networking, putting yourself out there, putting yourself in a position to succeed, and doing your homework and figuring out this industry and figuring out where you fit in. This applies to everybody in this space, no matter what your background. Doesn't matter if RN or high school dropout. The opportunities are there. You can be as stubborn as you want. You can succeed. Or if you're looking for speed, you can get in quicker if willing to take a pay cut. The ball is in your court, Guru Nation. Let me know what your thoughts are on this. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Bye-bye.